Dreaming of home ownership, but worried about your credit? Credit repair services might be the key to boosting your chances of getting approved for a mortgage. Credit repair services can help identify and dispute errors on your credit report, potentially raising your credit score. These services work to remove inaccuracies, outdated information, and even negotiate with creditors to resolve issues. A higher credit score can lead to better mortgage rates and terms, making homeownership more affordable. However, it's essential to choose a reputable credit repair service. Do your research and ensure the company follows legal guidelines. While these services can be beneficial, they don't perform miracles. Patience and diligence are crucial, as improving your credit takes time. Alongside credit repair, adopt healthy financial habits. Pay bills on time, reduce outstanding debts, and avoid new credit inquiries. Combining professional help with responsible credit behavior will give you the best shot at securing a home loan. Ready to take the next step towards homeownership? Consider utilizing credit repair services to enhance your credit profile. Reach out to us today for expert advice and support. Let's pave the way to your dream home together.